In this video, you will learn how to set up a standing order on Halifax mobile app. First, log into your online banking, go to the Halifax website or open the Halifax mobile app. Then, log in using your account details such as your username and your password. After that, navigate to the Payments and Transferred. Once logged in, go to the Payments and Transfer section. Under the standing order, look for the option to set up or manage standing orders. This may be listed under the Manage or Set up a Payment category. Click on Set up a standing order. Choose the option to create a new standing order. Then, enter payment details. Fill in all the required details. These details include amount, recipient's name, sort code and account number, payment frequency, start date and end date. Review and confirm. Double check all of the details of the standing order to ensure they are all correct. Submit. Once you are satisfied with the information, confirm and submit the standing order. Confirmation. After submission, you should be able to receive and confirm a confirmation email or message confirming that your standing order was set up correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.